Hey there, welcome back to Side Channel Today.
One of the loudest calls of any animal, a signature bellow, roars across the beach, reminding the competition who's in control. On the Californian coast, the colony's undisputed heavyweight is known as the Beachmaster. He's battled for the breeding rights to over 100 females. But keeping guard of his harem in one of the noisiest places on Earth is a real headache. It's almost impossible to hear his rivals coming. Up to 60 challenges every day from every angle. But thanks to his amazing ability to detect vibrations, like a spider in a web, he can monitor an area of 6 tennis courts from a central position. His warning is usually enough to scare rivals into submission. But every now and then, a real contender emerges. He's just as big, just as powerful. The Beachmaster has no choice but to stand and fight. 2-inch scar tissue shields the blows. Still, these bloody clashes take a toll. After 2 years and more than 300 fights, the Beachmaster is finished. Time for a new heavyweight to take his title. Defeated, exhausted, the old Beachmaster is unlikely to see another mating season.